Cold open. Imagine waking up to the smell of fresh citrus and kickstarting your day with a high-protein breakfast. It's not a dream, it's your new reality. But before we delve into the delicious details, remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more health-centric content. Picture your morning starting with a glass of warm water infused with lemon. Not only does this simple concoction help in flushing out toxins from your body, but it also aids in jump-starting your metabolism. It's the perfect way to wake up your system and prepare it for the day ahead. Next, it's time for breakfast. A bowl of Greek yogurt topped with a handful of mixed berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Berries, on the other hand, are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a weight loss-friendly fruit. Chia seeds, these tiny powerhouses, are rich in fiber and protein, further aiding in weight loss. Moving on to lunch. A colorful salad is on the menu. Think of vibrant leafy greens, crunchy bell peppers, juicy tomatoes, and lean grilled chicken. Leafy greens are low in calories and high in fiber, making them perfect for weight loss. Bell peppers and tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, while grilled chicken provides the necessary protein. As the afternoon rolls around, it's time for a snack. A handful of almonds and a cup of green tea. Almonds are rich in healthy fats and fiber, helping to curb your appetite. Green tea, known for its metabolism-boosting properties, is a great addition to any weight loss diet. Dinner is the time to wind down, and a simple grilled salmon with a side of steamed veggies is perfect. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help reduce inflammation and aid in weight loss. The side of veggies provides necessary fiber and keeps the meal balanced. As we wrap up our day, a cup of chamomile tea before bed can be soothing and beneficial. Chamomile tea is known to aid in sleep, and better sleep can contribute to weight loss. So, there we have it. A full day of eating that not only helps in weight loss, but also keeps you satisfied and nourished. Remember, it's not about restricting calories, but choosing foods that are nutrient-dense and keep you feeling full. So go ahead, give this day of eating a try and see the difference it can make. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, eat well and stay healthy.